What's the difference between whiteness and blackness? Whiteness being a Greco-Roman European construct, blackness being an indigenous and aboriginal construct. And one of the differences is interdependence versus independence. In whiteness, we're in such a competition that it's led us to think that we need to be in this for ourselves, and independence is something that we can strive for. Yet independence is a fallacy that we'll never be able to create because we already depend on the earth and the universe for our life. We breathe in air. We didn't create that air. We eat earth's food and nutrients. We did not create that. But further than that, more than that, we didn't create the clothes that we wear. We didn't create the cotton that was made into the clothes that we wear. We didn't create the tools that make the clothes that we wear. Somebody did. One of us did. One of us did one thing and then another thing and then another thing, and that's called interdependence. And that is a blackness concept. That is an indigenous and aboriginal concept. We are interdependent on each other. That is part of the cultural practices. We all share and need one another. We're all connected, and we're connected to the earth that already teaches us how to provide for each other and how to give back to that earth. When we're done eating, it goes back into the earth and it provides more nutrients for the earth. Imagine that if we were eating healthy, we would provide a healthier earth, right? We would create and be a part of that creation of healthiness. We're interdependent. We need each other. So rather than see each other as weapons and in competition, rather than see each other as threats, we can create systems where we just share and show and serve one another and enjoy one another. That is blackness. That is what blackness has been about, and that is why it's a threat to whiteness, and that is why we must accept and appreciate blackness. It's that simple. We won't need either one of those terms when we go forth with life and choose life over death. Race for what?